Hello my correct people, welcome to my channel. This is Gav Success channel, aka the Money Chick. In this channel we bring to you very legit way to make money online using your smartphone and your internet connection. So if you are new on this channel, please hit the notification button and subscribe on this channel, and also give this video a thumbs up. And if you are also a returning subscriber, you are welcome. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. On this tutorial, I'm bringing to you a Web3 decentralized app that pays you $3.86 to watch a short video online. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step on how to earn this $3.86 and also how you can also withdraw your money on this platform. Let's move. So this is the homepage of this app, and this is where you see your earnings, and this is also where you see information about these apps. And also here, this is where you see your profile. You edit your profile, upload your pictures, and so many things. So here now is the homepage. This is the homepage where you watch the video, and you do not just come and just start watching the video. You need to follow a step so that once you are watching the video, you will be earning your money. So this is where you can start to watch your video. You can see here it says browse to earn. So on this place, this is where you click to start earning your money, and you see this small red line here. Once you start earning, every 15 minutes the line will keep going green until the line full. You'll be able to earn your money, and this is where you start watching. You click here to start. Once you click on this start button, it will take you direct to the home page, which is this place, and you keep scrolling until the green button filled before you'll be able to earn your money. And they also have a live session and also more. So whenever you're qualified here, you'll be able to get access to it. Moving on to this place, so this is where you see your earnings every day. Okay, every 15 minutes you spend on this app, you earn roughly $3.86, and this is where you access your earnings. This place, you click on this place, then you access your earning, how much you'll be able to make. This is a new account, take note, and you do not have multiple accounts on this platform. If not, you will get banned. And this place is where you can use to withdraw your money. Okay, you can click on the transfer button, then you can transfer your money using this token. If you click on wallet here, it will tell you it will be updated in the next version. Okay, so take note. And another way to make money on this place is to play game. Okay, you click on this place, you play game, and you earn money. Once you click here, you can see different types of game. Future game you can play, you get reward which you can convert and earn money on this platform. You can also click on this human icon to upload video. You want to upload video, you click on this plus sign. After you upload video, your video will go on review. If you want to edit your profile, you click on this three icon here. You edit your profile, put your name, put your picture, and you get going. So this is everything you need to know about this platform. Let's say you invited a friend, you can also invite. Okay, you can also invite people to take advantage of this amazing platform. And this platform pays you worldwide. It doesn't discriminate whether you are African, like Nigeria. If you are from Nigeria, you will get paid. Cameroon, Uganda, Zambia, any country is worldwide, you get paid, and you withdraw your money via your wallet, whether Binance or Trust Wallet or KuCoins, whatever coins wallet you are using, you withdraw your earnings there. Let me show you something you need to know. If you click on this invite boss here, okay, to invite somebody, then once you invite somebody, let me click here. If this person you invited did not watch video, you will not earn. Are you getting me? You can see this account has invited one person. Okay, you will not earn unless the person watched the video. Okay, then 10% of what the person earning is what you get 10%, and you can read here to see how it works. So this is all about this amazing platform and how you can take advantage and start making money on this platform. And if you are new on this channel, do us a favor, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification button so that whenever we post another update, you will be first person to get notified. Who knows, our next update may be a life-changing opportunity. And if you're watching in other social media like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, do not forget to hit the plus sign to follow us, and I'll also drop the link to this video on the description below if you're watching on YouTube, so that you will use the link to download the right app on this platform. Okay, and also drop my WhatsApp number in case you have any more questions. I will be willing to answer you and also guide you. I still remain my humble self, the Money Chick. Thank you for stopping by. Ciao ciao. See you in the next video.